Hello, this is Jack here from BLOWNFUSES Team 7045 in this two-parter with making the buttons and giving them out at Grosse Pointe Santa Claus Parade. This parade happened the day after Thanksgiving, and we were able to pass out 500 buttons. It was quite a success, and those buttons might have been how you got here to this video. Now, being demonstrated right now is how you make the buttons by one of our mentors, Mr. Spence. Now, right now, this is me putting the buttons on the cards. We also put some dum-dums on the cards because we couldn't make 500 buttons in 2 hours. And it was after our season was done, so we didn't really have time to gather that many people together. And now you can see them being put in the bin. And yeah, this is what 500 of these looks like. It seems like quite a lot. And it was fun, but it took a long time. It really is worth it because, as you'll see in a minute, we got to go to the Grosse Pointe Santa Claus Parade the day after Thanksgiving, and it was very fun passing all of them out. Now here we are. We've magically arrived, and wow, look at all the people. They're all going to be in the parade. And you can see there's the high school team's, the Gearheads mascot in front of us. And then, you can see some of the big heads from the Detroit Parade. And then that's Tom Izzo, I'm guessing, but it's hard to really tell. But that's not our focus. So let's get back onto the... Oh, wow, it's a dog. That's also not our focus. Let's get back on focus to the actual parade. Now, this is a video that my dad took of the parade, and you can see the Gearheads in front of us, and then you can see us there, the BLOWNFUSES. That's the parade. We had a lot of fun, and it was frantic trying to hold the sign and pass out the candy and the pins. Let's hope that this spread enough awareness. We did pass out 500. Now we'll finish this off with some pictures that we were able to get. There's the sign. Another one of the sign. Us in the parade. Us also in the parade, and then passing out some of them to many people watching. It was very fun, and I thank you for watching.